Guys, today, you guys can't see me. Today I want to wish you a very, very happy firework day. So, yeah. So basically what I wanted to do today to celebrate, I'm going to show you what fireworks we got. So, yeah, let's get on with the video. And guys, don't worry, I never light any fireworks myself. My dad will bought these for us to do after we go out from the fireworks. So, yeah, I never light any myself. That's a disclaimer, because it is really dangerous. So, little kids, if you want to recreate this video or anything, you should never play with fireworks or touch them. So, yeah, I'm old enough to just show you not to light them up. So, yeah, I'm going to show you. First, we've got some sparklers. And sparklers are really fun to do. And you don't really have to, do anything. So what you do, you just light these. And then that's what you do. And this one, it's still dangerous, but it's safe. It's safer for little kids to do. So, yeah. Next, I got these at Pound with my dad, and I was quite surprised that they had these. I haven't opened it yet, and I'm not going to open it, but it's just some sparklers too. Okay, next, from last year, I had this mini dragon one, and then two of these orbit ones. Now I've got an 18 pack, which I might have to also do in another video because there's so many in this 18 pack. So yeah, I'm going to show you them. We've got Magic Fountain. I'm putting them all back how they was. We've got Chico Fountain. Next we've got Lite Headed Fountain. We've got Funny Fountain 1 and Funny Fountain 2. We've got Christy the blah 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 fountain. Okay, I just realised something. That it came with a lighter, one of them lighters you just slash on wood. We do not use these, and I am going to probably put this in the bin because it's quite, it's a health hazard. But here I've got Crazy Fountain 1, but in a giant version. I got 3 of these Roman candles, and it gives you 5 shots. I've got 2 of these Miracle 1 single shot. I've got a Crackle 1 shot tube. I've got a Sparkling Sky 20 shot cake. Okay, I really do not like that one. I've got this Crackling 2 shot tube. I've got this Manic Fountain. And the very last one here is these 2 giant volcano eruptions. So they're all of our fireworks. So, yeah. And by the way, this kit is called Bonfire Star collection box, and it's by Welco Fireworks. I'm not sponsored by anyone. And then we've got these the Night Theatre, what are these called? Sparklers. And here, these are the, oopsie, that was definitely my fault. These are the sparklers. And yeah, do not open them. I think they're practically impossible to open. But hopefully you enjoyed this video, and bye guys, and have a very, very nice bonfire night. Bye guys.